Right now, more than 40 million people are under blizzard warnings as hurricane force winds and snow hit the Northeast. Here's a live look from the top of the Statue of Liberty in New York City. You can see the snow falling there in New York. The power outages are climbing. More than 500,000 customers are without power from Virginia northward. More than a foot of snow has fallen in at least 5 states, and even more snow is expected today. And this video right here shows you just how bad the roads are in New York City. There's a citywide travel ban in place this morning.
So far, over 10,000 flights have been canceled, and we're seeing the impact here as well. King 5's Savannah Welch is live at SCA this morning, where we're seeing delays and cancellations on flights heading to the East Coast. Savannah.
Good morning. Yeah, at this point, the number of delays and cancellations continues to grow. Right now, there are 56 delays and 36 cancellations. That's up in the last hour, and most of those flights are coming to or from the Northeast, so we're expecting that number to continue to climb this morning. That's not the only issue here at SCA at the airport. Right now, there also have been some aftermath effects from confusion that happened over the weekend from services being online, then offline, then online again from the partial government shutdown as it enters its second week. So looking at this, TSA PreCheck this morning is up and running, but global entry for international travels, that's still down. Sunday morning, airport staff were told PreCheck would be suspended because of the shutdown, and crews even started switching signs just before 6 a.m. About an hour later, federal officials reversed course, keeping PreCheck in place.
Essentially, we're just switching the signs, right? And so that takes a lot of manpower and preparation, and so that's what our team was doing at the TSA side of things. And then an hour later, they made that reversal. I do think it's fair to say that we'll be monitoring the situation, and we'll receive word when we do, and we'll adapt.
The TSA says PreCheck remains operational, but warns that staffing shortages could still impact screening case by case. Port of Seattle leaders say global entry is run by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, not the airport, so they're still waiting on federal guidance here. I'll let you know if security lines are impacted this morning. So far here at Security Checkpoint 4, looks like things are moving pretty smoothly, even though the line has grown in the last hour. I'll also keep an eye on those East Coast, Northeast flights this morning as well, and keep an eye on those numbers as we continue to track those delays and cancellations. At SeaTac, Savannah Welch, King 5 News.